Hi everyone, I'm Ben from Sturt University's Future Moves program. I'm here today to give you a tour of the Dubbo campus. We're situated here on beautiful Wiradjuri country. Now Dubbo is a great, vibrant regional city. There's a lot going on here on campus, so let's check it out. The courses that are offered here on Dubbo are nursing and social work. This campus is also utilised by online students from Dubbo and the Far West region. The face-to-face classes are held between Tuesday and Thursday, making it easier for you to plan your study around your personal commitments. This courtyard is used as a common meeting area for students where they can come and relax during the nice weather, chat with some friends, have a coffee and use the barbecue. It's also used as a space for activities during orientation and club day. So I've just snuck in here between my classes, but this is where you'll watch your academics do their lectures. Now the great thing is that all of the lectures are recorded so you can watch them anytime online. The library here has 24/7 access, which is great for all those last-minute assignment deadlines. If you're an online student, you can even request a book from one of our campuses to be sent to your home address. Here in the library, there are dedicated study spaces where you can use the computers, log on and work on those important assignments. The great thing about studying at Sturt University is that your learning is so much more personal. You really get to know your students and your lecturers. There are plenty of sports that you can play here on campus. You can play it socially or you can join a team in town. This is our multi-purpose hall at the Dubbo campus. It's used for learning and teaching, information sessions, and it's also used for social events. Come check it out. This multi-purpose hall is equipped with all the facilities you need. Kitchens, bathroom, and it has plenty of space. At Sturt University, we like teaching our students by replicating real-world facilities. Our nursing students use the labs a lot, so they're prepared for when they go out in their placements. Aside from the amazing facilities we have at the Dubbo campus, we also have this dental clinic where Sturt University students can put the knowledge that they've used into practice. Each campus has a First Nations student centre. Here we are at Barramalinga. These are culturally safe spaces for Indigenous students to get support whether you're studying online or on campus. Here we are at the gym at the Dubbo campus. There are state-of-the-art facilities and it's free for staff and students. And as they always say, a healthy body means a healthy mind. And if you don't like working out inside, you've got great spaces like this where you can work outside. Here at the Dubbo campus, you are surrounded by this beautiful bushland, and I'm sure when you come here, you'll make great friends with our family of kangaroos. Thank you so much for joining me today here at the Dubbo campus, and I can't wait to see you when you study with us.